Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Wait, guys, what was that sound? Let's go check it out. It's coming from over here. Oh, wait. There's a dog. Wait, what? There's a dog. There's a dog. Wait, what? Where did this come from? Where did this come from?
Okay, Peter.
Wait, I think. Oh, wait, what? Wait, look, it's over there.
Oh.
Oh my god, there's another dog. There's another dog there. There any dogs in here?
Oh my god.
Nope.
Oh.
Oh my god. Look at this little guy. Wait, hold up.
What?
Wait, what? You guys hear me?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, where are these pups coming from?
What?
Guys, where are these pups coming from? Like where? Oh my god, you guys. Where are these pups coming from?
What? What the heck? Oh
What the heck, you guys?
Oh my
I found
god.
3 puppies.
3.
3 puppies, you guys. Oh my god. Wait, guys, they're cold. They're cold, you guys.
Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna name this one Princessa. What are you gonna name this one? Rocky? Two?
Pinta.
Pinta?
Oh my god.
They all have names. Guys, look at her. Look at her, you guys. She can't even open her eye. We just found some puppies. We just found some puppies, you guys. Hold up.
Oh, mira lo que encontramos. Mira.
Look at
Oh my
this.
god.
They're Spanish, by the way. You guys, I can't believe we just found some pups. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Found some pups here. I'm gonna just leave it right now.
What?
I'm gonna leave it here right now. Look at those 3 pups, you guys.
What?
I'm gonna end the video here, you guys. Yes, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. See you guys in the next one.